What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ivy Nganga, and if this is your first time on my channel, welcome to my channel. It's finally my birthday, and as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me look for my birthday, even though I'm not going anywhere. So initially I did this look for a photo shoot that I was going to. I did record it, but the footage wasn't that good, so I decided to refilm it when I'm not in a hurry, just so that you guys can see how I came up with the look. I also wanted to do a lessons learned video, one of those lessons learned in my 26 years kind of video, so that's included in this video. It's a get ready with me chit chat video. So yeah, that's just something that I wanted to add. Go on right ahead and watch the video. So I've already done my eyebrows and my foundation. I just didn't want this to be a very long video because I had actually tried to do this video before. So I'm just going to start on with the lessons that I've learned in my 26 years. Well, not really in my 26 years. I feel like this is mostly in the past year. And the first lesson is that you have to believe in yourself. It doesn't matter how many people believe in you. It doesn't matter, you know, who wants to give you an opportunity. If you don't believe in yourself, if you don't believe that you can do it, then it's not gonna work. It's just not going to work. I remember a couple of years ago I met this photographer, and he's so amazing. He's really grown. I'm super happy for him, and I could tell that he really believed in me. He really believed in my skill, in my dreams. But to be honest, at that time I really doubted myself. I really didn't believe I could do all these things that people thought or were telling me I could do. So I just feel like he felt like he needed to take a step back and just give me my time to figure myself out. And looking back, I feel bad because I mean, we could have done some amazing things together, but at the same time, I'm happy because I now have this chance to make things right. Yeah, I'm now going to go in with concealer in the shade Cool Tan to conceal my under eyes. Okay, so with regards to believing in yourself as well, if you don't take the first step, then you'll obviously not move. That's for sure. So even as you work towards getting rid of that self-doubt, getting rid of, I don't know, the fear, you have to push yourself. You have to push yourself to just take that first step, because it's the most important thing. Starting is the most important thing, and that's what I've learned in the past year. The second lesson is that you have to stop making excuses, because excuses will not yield any results, will not take you anywhere. You can make excuses all you want, but at the end of the day, you'll just be stuck. You'll just be going round and round in circles, and you will not see yourself grow. At the end of the day, it just goes back to you. So are you going to allow these things to hinder you from achieving your goals, from achieving your dreams? Or are you going to, you know, take that step and you're going to stop making the excuses? My third point is that you have to stop comparing your journey to others. What is that saying? Comparison is the thief of joy. It truly is. If you're constantly comparing yourself to others, you will definitely be unhappy, because we are all created differently. We all have different abilities. We are all meant to do different things. Even if we are doing something similar to another person, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to be the same. I'm the kind of person who really loves to compare myself to others. I find myself comparing myself to people who are way more established than me. This just causes unnecessary pressure, and it's something that I'm still working on. So it's one of the major lessons that I've had to learn. I now want to move on straight to the eyes. I actually don't even have a lot of time to film this. I am super excited because I now have a palette that I can use to create so many different looks. I am now the owner of a Morphe x James Charles palette, and this is a dream, a whole dream. Let me just show you the colors. So freaking amazing and super pigmented as well. I'm going to go in with this color right here. I almost hit my mirror, so I'm going to start with this color right here. It's a red color and it has a name. I don't know if you guys watched a video where I was saying that my other palette didn't have the names, so I finally have a palette that has names. The color is called You're Kidding. Ooh. So I'm going to start with the outer crease of my eye, just as I'm doing, and I need to continue with my lessons as well. I had also primed my eyes. I don't even know what's going on today. I finally decide to film last minute like I always do. I don't know why I've been so lazy this past couple of weeks. So I've waited till the last minute to film this video, and then I don't even know what's going on. My phone is disappointing me. But yeah, let's continue with the lessons. The other lesson that I've learned is that it's very important for you not to give up on your dreams. It doesn't matter where you're at in life. So for the past couple of years, like I had mentioned, I've just been telling myself, you know, I have time. There's still time to do this, so I can still take one more job and save up the money to buy equipment, to buy everything I need to get. There's also time for me to try and figure out if this is what I want to do, which of course is not a bad thing, but as you know, the time is not waiting for you. So it got to a point and I started feeling like it was too late for me to just follow my dreams. It was too late for me to start a YouTube channel. Like, what's the point? If you're waking up each and every morning, it's because God is giving you a chance to follow your dreams. So don't give up on your dreams, even if it seems like it's not going to happen. Just do it. Keep pushing yourself every single day and make sure that you're working towards your dream. The other thing you obviously have to realize is that you're the only one who can fight for your dream. No one is going to come and fight for you, so you only have you. So do whatever it takes to make your dream come true. And remember that if you give up, you're just going to regret it. You're going to regret in a couple of years. You're going to wonder why you did not give yourself a chance. So you can't afford to live a life of regret. We only have one life, and if there's one thing we've learned from this whole situation is that you just have to do what makes your heart happy. You just have to put yourself first, even though sometimes that is taken as a selfish thing to say. I really don't think it's selfish. If you don't put yourself first, I don't even know who will put you first. So give yourself the chance, give yourself the time to just do what makes your heart happy. This is the major thing that I've learned, not even in the past year, but the past couple of years of my early 20s. And it's that you cannot allow yourself to fit in. Don't always want to be like everyone else, because you're different for a reason. God has a greater purpose for me, and I just need to accept that and work towards that. I also don't like to make people uncomfortable, so I'm always trying to please people. I'm always trying to look like, you know, I'm not doing too much, I'm not doing the most, is what we say. But what I've learned is that I have to do the most. If that's how it looks, it's okay. But you cannot dim your light so that you make other people comfortable. People get very uncomfortable when they start see you growing, when they see you doing things that they probably didn't even think you could do. And I know this because there's a time I was that kind of a person. I would see people doing the things that I hoped to do, and it would make me feel some type of way. But I am slowly learning to become the person I was created to be, not to dim my light because I want people to like me all the time. It's okay if people are uncomfortable with your growth. Not everyone will support you in your journey, and that's okay. Don't feel like you're not doing something right. It's okay if you feel in your heart that you're doing the right thing for yourself, then just keep going. Don't even care about what those people think. And this is obviously easier said than done, because I struggle with that all the time. But like I said, I am slowly learning. I am slowly growing into the person I know I am meant to be. So I am just super excited because I'm finally on the right path. I was telling my friend the other day that I am so at peace in this season, at a time where everyone is just panicking, at a time where people are just distressed. I am so at peace. And even though I won't get to celebrate my birthday the way I usually love to celebrate, because if you know me, I love my birthday so much, I'm still happy because I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be. I'm finally on the right track, and that's all that matters to me in this season. I'm going to go in with a different shade for my lower waterline, and I'm going to be using this color here, and it's called Daddy. My last point, and this is something that I had said or I had mentioned previously, is that you shouldn't be seeking people's approval. The only approval you should obviously be seeking is God's approval, because yeah, like I said, it's the only approval that matters. Again, if you feel like you're doing the right thing, you're doing the right thing for you, then why do people's opinions even matter? They really don't. How pretty is this look, you guys? I love it. I don't know if I should go off camera and just do my eyeliner, because this is always a struggle. So that was not very perfect, but it's okay. I just wanted to add that eyeliner to hide the lash band. I can finally do my lashes after struggling for so many years. But what I realized is that I just didn't have the right lash glue for the longest time. So I finally got myself a really good lash glue. This is the one I'm using. It's the Kiss lash glue. I've had some really good things about it, so I decided to try it, and it's been doing so well so far. The one time I used it, my lashes didn't even move. I was having the photo shoot, so I love that a lot. I'm now going to add blush to my face. I'm going to be using my old palette, which is also a blush palette, and I'm going to be using these two shades right here. The last thing that I think I just want to reiterate, is that the word, is that you should never give up on yourself. Life can be so hard sometimes. You could be trying and trying and trying to just make your dreams come true. You're trying to make it work, but it could be that you're not in a position to make it work at that time. Please don't give up. I wanted to give up so many times. Ask God to give you the persistence and the patience to just, you know, wait on your dream and not to give up, because it really does take a lot and you will want to give up so many times. I had to go off camera and do my lashes because they were becoming a bit of a problem. I'm now going to go in with mascara on my lower lashes. This is so important. I find that if I don't do this, my look does not look complete. The last thing I want to do is highlighter, so I'm going to go in with my palette and I'm going to use this shade that I love so much. I find that it does such a good job of highlighting. I'm now going to move on to my lips, and I'm going to line my lips with my eyebrow pencil, which is just dark brown pencil. Then I'm going to go in with my concealer. This has become one of my favorite looks. This time around I'm going to go in with this orange concealer, which is meant to be a corrector. Once those two are blended, I'm going to go in with a gloss, just because I wanted this to be a simple lip look, because my eye was quite colorful and bold. So this is the final look. I just added this Mali hair as an extension just to complete the look, and added this hoop earrings. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I've had so much trouble with shooting today. I'm just hoping that I will have enough footage that will make sense. I hope that you guys learned something from this video, because that's the most important thing. Thank you so much for watching the video. As always, like, comment, share, and of course subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.